Hello and welcome. Today's lectures we are going to discuss the topic IUPAC nomenclatures of organic compounds. Now we have seen IUPAC name of the compounds like aldehyde and ketones. You know that aldehydes are the compound containing carbonyl carbon and one of these hydrogens. And ketones also it contains the carbonyl carbons and having a two alkyl group. In aldehyde, by naming given the IUPAC name for such a molecule, such a compound, same like to in alkane, they will be replacing E of alkane by Al. If the two aldehyde group is present in these molecules, then can be named as diol, triol, or so on. Now we have seen the examples like this. In these examples, we observe that two carbon atoms are there. This is 1 and 2. So parent name is ethane, and then this ethane E replaced by Al. Therefore, name is ethanol, and common name is acetaldehyde. Similarly, other example of aldehyde we have take like this. It is only one carbon and therefore the parent name is methane, and in this methane E replaced by Al and therefore name is a methanol, and common name is formaldehyde. Similarly, other example we have seen. In these examples, we have select the longest chain of alkanes like this is, and therefore you have given the name IUPAC name for the structures, like the numbering is done like this. This is a this is one, this is second, and this is third. So 1, 2, and 3. So two position having the methyl group are there. So 2 methyl. The name of the substituent we can write before the name of parent alkane. So 2 methyl propanol. Why it is a null? Because propane it is a parent name. So E replaced by Al. So propanol. Next molecules we have take this. In this molecule, so two aldehyde group are there. This is one aldehyde and this is a second aldehyde. So two times of aldehyde group. So word we are use as a di. A common name is a glycol. But we have two carbons. So parent name is a ethane. And therefore IUPAC name of such molecules are the ethane diol. Next examples now we have seen. In these examples, so three carbons are there like this one, this is two, and this is a third carbon. So this 1, 2, and 3. Parent name is a propane. But also in these examples, two aldehyde group are there. So what we have used as a diol triol. So two, therefore use diol. and parent name is a propane. So propane diol, and common name is succinyldehyde. Common name is succinyldehyde. Now we have see these next structures like is a benzaldehyde, but this aldehyde are it is a cyclic aldehyde. So name is given as like firstly you can write the name of parent alkane like a cyclohexane, and this is a carbaldehyde, right? So this is name is a cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Another structures we have given the IUPC name for the ketonic group. You know that ketonic group, the molecules having is a carbonyl carbon and as well as the two alkyl group on both sides. This is one side and this is second side. This is called as a ketone. In ketones, the IUPC name is given as like the alkane is E of alkane is E replaced by the ONE. If the ketonic group having the two or more ketonic group are present, then we can given the name as dione, trione, etc. Now we have see these examples. In these examples, firstly we have given the numbering like this. Numbering is 1, this is 2, and this is a third numbering. So 2 position having a ketone. So we can indicate the position 2 and name is propianon, 2-propianon, right? Because the parent name is a propane, so 2-propianon. Next, molecules we have C. The numbering is given which is correct like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So which is correct 1, 2, 3. This is 1, this is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5, it is 6, and it is 7. Sorry. Therefore, the name was given as like the sixth position having chlorine. So 6 chloro, and third position having this ketonic group. Therefore, 3 total carbon is 6. So name parent name is a hexane and E replaced by ONE. So 3-hexanone is the name of IUPAC for the structures. Numbering we have start like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is wrong numbering because if we start number like this side, the this carbonyl carbon they will go the fourth number, but according to IUPAC rule, this carbonyl carbon like a functional group they shows lowest priority number, and therefore this side numbering they will be correct numbering, and hence this is 6-chloro-3-hexanone has the correct name for the structures. Next molecules we have take like this. This is we have given the number like this 1, this is 2, this is a 3, sorry, this is a second, this is third number, and this is fourth number. So total carbon is 4, so name is a butane is a parent name. Second position having the carbonyl carbon, and therefore the 2-butanone as the IUPAC name for this structure. Next molecules we have take. These two molecules are two groups having a carbonyl carbon or two ketonic group present in these molecules. So word we have used as a di. So number was given like 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Parent name is a butane. So write IUPAC name for these structures like a butane. This 2 and third position having a ketonic group. So 2, 3 dione, dione, 2, 3 butane. Sorry, butane 2, 3 diane. It is a correct name. Similarly, we have used another structures. We have taken another structures like this. They will be a similar structures because this side and this side will be similar, and therefore number start from any one side like this one. This is 2, and this is a 3, 4, and this is a 5. So name is given like 2. Firstly, you can write the name of alkane like a pentane, and second position and the fourth position they will have the ketonic group. So 2, 4, and 2 times of ketone, therefore di, O-N-E, diene. So name is correct is a pentane 2,4 diene. Next molecules we have see the cyclic ketone. Cyclic ketone, one of the carbon atoms from carbonyl group. The numbering should be done by this carbonyl group, replacing E by the suffix ONE and prefix the cyclo. For examples, we have take these molecules. So how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbons of cyclic structures. So cyclo prefix we have used as a cyclo, and then the word is the parent name is a pentane, 5 carbon, so pentane, and E replaced by ONE, therefore pentanone, cyclopentanone. Similarly, we have take these structures. Numbering was done like the number start from functional group as per IUPAC nomenclatures. So 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5th, and then 6. But we see is here the fourth position having a one of the substituent like a methyl. So this substituent, name of the substituent, they will indicate before the name of parent alkane. So we can write is here. So 4-methyl, it is a substituent. Then word prefix cyclohexanone, 6 carbon, so hexanone, 4-methyl cyclohexanone. Next molecules we have see is here. The structures is functional group of this carbonyl carbon is here. Therefore number is start from this ketonic group, and hence numbers start like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. But we observe that these third positions having the one of the substituent are methyl. So name is given as 3-methyl prefix cyclohexanone, 3-methyl cyclohexanone. The next examples we have take like this. This is a 5 carbons. We have number was given like to this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So third positions they will have the carbonyl group, hence the third position, therefore 3, 5 carbon, so pentanone, E replaced by this is ONE, 3 pentanone. Similarly, we have take these other examples. In these examples, 2 carbonyl group are there. It is also one of these carbonyl. It is also one of the. So what we have used as a diene, right? Di. So numbering will be given as per IUPAC name: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But we observe that the third and fourth position will have the carbonyl group. Therefore, they indicate 3, 4, total carbon 6, so hexane. 3, 4 position having a ketonic group. So 3, 4 hexane diene. Next examples like number is given as per IUPAC name: 1, 2, 3, then 4. 4 means the parent name is a butane, but second position having carbonyl, so 2 butanone. Other structures like this, the numbering was done like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It having a 2 functional group, one of this carbonyl carbon, and second is the alkene. But as per IUPAC name, the ketonic group they will shows the lowest priority number, and hence numbering is done for this side is correct. So name is given as per IUPAC name like pent, 5 carbon, therefore pent. 4 position having a carbon carbon double bond, so 4 in, 4 in. Second position having a ketone, so 2, 1. This is a IUPAC name for the structures. Next molecules like this is 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So 1 cyclohexyl butane, 2, 1. 2 position having a ketone, so 2, 1. 1 position having the substituents like a cyclohexyl. Therefore, 1 cyclohexyl butane 2, 1 is a name IUPAC name for this structure.